Hi guys, it's me, More Harry H, and I am going to show you that I am going to show it to you. My uncle, PewDiePie, I don't know, PewDiePie. Yep, he actually gave it me, so it's in my bedroom. I mean, not loft, bedroom. Yeah, that's my uncle, PewDiePie. PewDiePie. And my second uncle is Mr. Beast. Wait, Mr. Beast is your uncle? And he gave me that.
Oh, but if you really have...
And he gave me a Mr. Beast burger.
But if you really have the room, be playing.
Yep, this is my uncle. This guy. Zooming because I'm on my tablet. Yeah, my uncle's famous anyway, so like, I think I just got these off Google. I got it over uncle. And all his subscribers have subscribed to me. So please subscribe. Look at the last videos I had. Look at the last videos I had. 10,000 subscribers. Oh, and by the way, it's still more Harry. Yeah, don't click this one. Okay. Yeah, look. Oh guys, it's me, More Harry H, and today I am going to show you that I have got 10,000 subscribers. And the Ruby button, yay! I have been waiting. I changed my channel to that name, so I'm surprised. They sent a letter to me yesterday saying off YouTube, and they said that the YouTube play button was coming the 25th of December, on Christmas, but they sent me another one saying that it had come today. So, yep, it's came today. It's came today. I've got my room planning in the bedroom. Shout out to George B.
They do that to YouTubers.
Ali, if you are watching this video, please subscribe to show me respect, because I have subscribed. Yep. Anyone else who you know, ask them to subscribe to me. Just say More Harry H. Thank you, and that was it from me, More Harry H. And it's George B. Over and